All right, team, 2 winning days in a row and we're keeping the foot down. Yesterday we went 2-1 for plus 0.8 units. Seattle gave us fireworks since he turned cover into winner, and that Dodgers-Brewers over had all the run-scoring energy of a library. Today's card is 3 plays. Blue Jays at Mariners over 7 at minus 120, Dodgers minus 1.5 at plus 105, and Nebraska at Minnesota over 47.5. Let's cook. We're starting in Seattle, Blue Jays and Mariners over 7 at minus 120. The series has gone full bizarro. Road teams cashing, T-Mobile playing small, yet the bats are suddenly wearing shoulder pads. Toronto just put up 21 runs across games 3 and 4 in this same ballpark, and now Seattle rolls Bryce. Is it the good day or the 5-run day? Miller back out there. He's had a shiny October, but the regular season profile still screams volatility, and this is a fastball-heavy look the Jays just saw 6 days ago. Second looks in October are like showing your password in a meeting. You're going to get burned. Toronto's contact rate gives us steady traffic, and the Mariners' pen has been working middle innings far earlier than they planned. Seattle does have their ace in reserve for a bullpen cameo, which sounds safe, right up until you realize many pitchers is another way of saying many failure points. Over 7 gives us the glorious push at 4-3, and given the way this is tilted, we're not betting on a repeat of Game 1's nap. We're betting that one crooked inning shows up like a raccoon at your picnic. Next up, Los Angeles. Dodgers minus 1.5 at plus 105 against Milwaukee. The Dodgers starters have been a do not disturb sign all series, and now it's Shohei on extended rest with a close-out chance. That's like handing a sledgehammer to a locksmith. Milwaukee has been living on 2-out hope and weak contact. That's not a plan, that's a wish list. If the Brewers score 1 run again, and that's not a hypothetical so far, any normal Dodgers night at the plate turns the run line into a formality. The correlation is our friend. If LA wins, it's very likely by margin because Milwaukee's lineup is swinging like they're trying not to spill coffee. Plus money for the better starter, the deeper bats, and the home crowd. That's a green light. If you're wondering whether we considered the money line, we did. Then we remembered we like profits with our principles. Finally, Friday night Big Ten vibes. Nebraska at Minnesota over 47.5. Nebraska's passing game has shifted from promising to bring your own fire extinguisher, and the Gophers' back end is dinged up enough that the training table needs a reservation. If the Huskers get explosives early, Minnesota has to hit the gas, which is great for our total and terrible for Minnesota's comfort level. Weather, clean, wind, light, that means every completed go route is now a field position teleporter. And if Nebraska's soft spot versus the run lets Minnesota actually string together a few methodical drives, that's even better. You can't spell over without first downs. Our most likely scripts land in the 31-17, 34-17 neighborhood. Either way, 47.5 is catchable without weirdness, and if we do get weirdness, please make it the fun kind with short fields and defensive backs pointing at each other. Quick recap so we're all aligned. Blue Jays and Mariners over 7 at minus 120 because volatility plus volume equals value. Dodgers minus 1.5 at plus 105 because elite starter plus silent bats equals separation. Nebraska and Minnesota. Over 47.5 because tempo plus explosives plus nice weather equals scoreboard art. We've stacked 2 winning days. Let's make it 3 and let the unit count do the talking, while our jokes do the walking.